Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, steaming straight from the wok. We're going to do a shrimp or prawn fried rice. Very, very easy, super tasty, pretty fast. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So, rice, basmati rice I'm using today. Always make sure when you make fried rice it's cold. Hot or warm rice doesn't fry so well, so cold cooked rice. Optional chili there if you want to put that in. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili. I've got some frozen shrimps or prawns here, like a cooking shrimp, really cool. They're quite small. Just wash them under some cold water. One onion, I'm using a white onion today, just a medium sized onion. A couple of eggs, some garlic. If you wanted, you could be adding some ginger as well. And then here, like a tablespoon, not a lot at all, of a dark soy and some fish sauce. We're going to start this off with some nice hot oil. Delicious. Okay, so I've got a wok here. You're going to need a pan or something. Woks are really good, nice and big and really thin, so they get hot and retain the heat really well. So what I've got here is a little bit of sunflower oil. Again, you could be using a different oil if you wanted. Sesame oil would also work really well in this nice nutty flavour. What we're going to do, it's all quite cooked on a really high heat, so everything's going to be quite noisy and yeah, just full blast all the way here. So we're going to drop in our onions. Going to drop in that garlic, and like I say, if you wanted, you could be putting in some ginger there as well. So full flame or full maximum heat if you're using electric. You could be using just like a skillet or a frying pan, but like I say, a wok, nice and thin, really conducts the heat very fast. Now we're going to add in our shrimp or prawns, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to grab just a little bit here of black pepper, a couple of decent pinches. And on this high heat, we're going to throw these around in the wok, stirring pretty much all the time for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, there you go. As you can see, we've got a little bit of moisture from the shrimps. Just going to burn that off. What I'm going to do now is drop in that chili. Now what I've done with the chili, I've just cut it open, get a bit of flavour out of it. You could chop it if you wanted. That little bit of dark soy, a little bit of fish sauce, and because we're adding soy sauce and fish sauce, I'm not adding any salt. Okay, let's stay on this high heat, another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring. This is coming on beautifully. And at this point now, we're going to add in our rice. Like I say, I'm using a basmati rice. And like I also mentioned, cold rice is always better. And what we need to do now is actually fry the rice. So this is going to take about 4 to 5 minutes of frying on a high heat. If we get some blackening or browning on the rice, for me, that's fantastic. Keep it moving, see in about 4 or 5. So I hope you can hear that. That's actually the rice actually frying. You got that? And like I say, if we get any brown or blackening on the rice, I don't know if you can see that, it's just kind of browning a little bit. I love it there. Now I'm just going to push this to one side. I'm going to drop in a really tiny amount of oil and then go those 2 eggs. Put them just right in there. We'll just cook this egg on the side here, and once it's where you want it to be, we're going to fold it in and we're done. If you wanted, you could be adding some cilantro into this, some sesame seeds, like I say, a little bit of sesame oil. But I'm happy just like this. See, that egg's looking pretty good. Let's get it in. Mix it around, another like 1 or 2 minutes only. We've got some fantastic, simple shrimp or prawn fried rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.